The last game of dice. Draupadi was very angry and said that she will never forgive the Kauravas. She took oath of not tying her hair until she washes it in Dushasana's blood. Bhima was also very angry and said that he will kill every Kaurava, drink Dushasana's blood, and break Duryodhana's thigh. After listening to this, the dice trembled and the board burst into flames. Outside, the dogs began to wail, donkeys began to bray, and cats whimpered. Vidura told his brother Dhritarashtra that the gods are frowning upon them and told him to stop the madness. So Dhritarashtra went to Draupadi and asked her to forgive them and offered her three boons. Draupadi stopped crying and asked her husband's freedom as first boon and all their possessions to be restored to them as her second boon. As the Pandavas were leaving with their wife, the Kauravas tempted Yudhishthira to play one last game and win back his honor. Yudhishthira showed his willingness to play by asking what happens if he loses. 12 years of exile in forest with nothing but what they carry on their person, followed by a final 13th year in hiding, and if discovered during this year, they shall go back in exile for another 12 years, said the Kauravas. Yudhishthira accepted the terms and made his way to the gambling table. His brothers protested and Draupadi begged him to stop. But Yudhishthira refused as he was sure that he will win. Shakuni rolled the dice and said, "See, I have won." The Pandavas are now obliged to leave their city and move into the forest for 13 long years. Yudhishthira covered his face with a cloth, Bhima flexed his arms, Arjuna picked up a fistful of sand and left a trail behind him, Nakula covered his face with mud, and Sahadeva painted his face black in shame. Draupadi left her unbound hair streak across her face. Kunti let her sons go with a heavy heart and told Draupadi to take care of his sons, especially Sahadeva, as he was sensitive and may not be able to bear the pressure of calamity. The Pandavas crossed the Ganga river and went into the forest beyond, which will be their home for a long time to come.